Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be installing some clip-ins. I got these beautiful clip-ins from CurlsQueen. This is their light Yaki silk press clip-ins, okay? So today I decided to do two different looks so you can see the variety in the hair and how you can wear it. They look absolutely gorgeous. If you're ready to see how I installed and styled this hair, keep on watching. So again, these clip-ins are from CurlsQueen and I have 24 inches. So first I'm going to show you how I section off my leave out. Because for my clip-ins, this is like the foundation that I like to do. I like to leave a little hair out on the sides, as you can see, and I like to leave a nice amount out in the top, okay? So you just want to brush your hair to the back, and then I'm going to start doing a braid. So basically, I'm gathering my hair at the top, and I'm just going through and grabbing my hair, and I'm doing a French braid, like one big French braid, and you want to try to do this as tight as possible. So just take your time and grab small pieces of hair while trying to keep that braid nice and secure and tight. This is going to be the foundation for our clip-ins, and I like doing it like this because it lays nice and flat. It creates a base where I can add my clip-ins and it's no tension. I'm very tender-headed, very tender-headed, and this is the only way I've found for me to wear clip-ins, and they're truly 100% comfortable, okay? Especially if the clip-ins are long or the hair is thicker, this is the perfect base for you. And once I'm done braiding, I just flip the braid up and I take some thread and I basically just sew it together so everything is nice and secure. And this base stays together for about a week. So this is honestly a protective style. So just go ahead and attach your braid together, make it nice and flat. And now we're almost ready to go ahead and install our clip-ins. So let's go ahead and get a nice look at these clip-ins. Again, these are the light Yaki silk press clip-ins. I have 24 inches, and when I say thick, this hair is thick. It's nice and thick. It's like natural hair that's been relaxed. I really like the luster. It's not too glossy, as you can see. And you do get 275 grams in each package. So when I say thick, y'all, it's thick. A lot of hair comes in one package. And I attach it right on top of the braid. And you basically just add the clips into your ponytail, as you can see. Now I like to start off with the biggest pieces and then go up to the small pieces. And I'm just adding the hair in like a U shape, as you can see. And once you get about here, you can go ahead and start adding your pieces to the front, okay? And now in the front, I like to use the smaller pieces. And I did use all the pieces from the package in my hair, but you honestly don't need them all because the hair is so thick. And now we're just gonna go ahead and silk out the hair. The hair has a little bit of wave to it, and that's the length on me. I am 5'3", and this is where the 24-inch hits me, like waist length. And now I'm gonna take my Babyliss Pro flat irons and just go ahead and silk out the hair. The hair is really easy to silk out. It wasn't tangling or shedding or anything like that. And it gets really nice and silky. And because this is a Yaki texture, it really has a nice weight to it, as you can see. And when it's silked out, it just looks really good. And now I'm gonna go through with my mini flat iron and just straighten out my edges. This is what I always like to use on my edges. I will link it below. I use low heat and it works really well. It's my favorite flat iron to use for my edges. And now we're gonna use our Babyliss Pro. I'm using it on low heat as well, low to medium heat, because I realized I have been using too much heat on my hair. My hair doesn't need the highest temp setting on the flat iron. All right, I have so much heat damage from using my heat tools too hot. And as you can see, even with medium heat, my hair blends perfectly into these extensions. And I also really like that. I don't have to make my hair super silky straight and get all that damage trying to blend my hair with a texture that doesn't work for me. This texture blends with my natural hair. You can't tell me this don't look like a sew-in. It's so seamless, so flat, and the blend is it's just really good. The blend is perfection. I went ahead and fixed up my part, and it just looks so good. I wore this out the other day and I got a lot of compliments on this hair. A lot of people thought it was like a sew-in or tape ends. No, girl, clip ends, okay? And it took me under 20 minutes to achieve the style. And it's just something of, like I said earlier, about that Yaki hair. I love it. So now we're going to go in and do our second style. I'm just going to change my part to kind of like a side part. And this is why I left out the amount of leave out, just so you can have a little bit of versatility. All right. I'm just doing kind of like that slanted part, like a little 90s vibe. And it looks good straight like this as well. And now I'm going to take my Babyliss Pro flat iron, the same one that I silked out the hair with, and I'm going to use that to put curls all throughout the hair. And I really like this flat iron for curling because it kind of like locks in those curls. All you have to do is put the hair in there, twist it, and pull the hair through slowly, and you're gonna have the most beautiful curls that last. They don't drop, and it just looks so pretty. And it was really fast and easy using this iron, and I was surprised at how well this hair held a curl, because usually textures like this, the curls will they'll be limp or drop, but the curls held so well in this hair. And I just did a few curls throughout my hair because I didn't want it super curly. I just wanted kind of like a wave look. And now I'm just curling my bangs, and it was really simple. I just did the same method all throughout my hair, and look at that. It's so pretty. I love this iron also to curl my natural hair. I'm just going through and putting curls all throughout the hair. Okay, so we're done curling. All you gotta do is pick out the curls, and this is your final look. Tell me this is not gorgeous. If you guys are interested in these clip-ins from CurlsQueen, they will be linked below. Everything I used from today's video will also be linked below. I was feeling myself. I thought I looked so cute, y'all. I loved it. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe. I will talk to you in the next video.